Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. Music is a universal language and that has been proved a lot of times over the history. It's about the feel you bring to you and your audience. So making it feel good obviously takes the priority. If you are too concerned about the technicalities of it, you are missing the fun part. Another major thing in music is all about being in time. The only thing that keeps you in time with chordal non-board string instrument is the strumming part of it. And with little adjustments for the instrument being used, strumming can also be universal regardless of the instrument. If you happen to have access to another instrument like ukulele, guitar, mandolin, bass, try it out. Developing good strumming brings the feel to you and your audience. Let's say I am trying to play the island strum with all the technicalities and the counts and all. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. You're feeling the cringe, right? That's what happens to your audience too. Now, let me show you the relaxed version. You are feeling the difference, right? Again, it is easier said than done. I remember the rush I had when I was playing songs in initial days. Strumming, changing chords, and on top of it, trying to sing. All these three mixed up and utterly feels like no emotions attached. And I want you to not repeat the same mistake again. Sit comfortably, start the metronome, and play a strumming pattern you like, nice and slow, while remembering the best memories of your life. Record yourself during your practice. Watch back once you are done with the practice session. Repeat the same every day until you feel the relaxed movement in your arms and your playing. Chords really don't matter here. If you keep track with recorded sessions, most probably you'll find the following. First few days, mostly you are going to miss beats. Gradually, that will go away and then you will see you are following all technicalities but still something is missing. Over time, you will see that strumming has become an automated part and your bodily response makes a better relaxed arm movement. At this stage, whatever chord you are strumming will sound nice and relaxed. There are music which wants you to feel angry or sad, but at this stage, just try to relax. Later, we'll look into other stuffs. Playing with different dynamics is the next part. Once developed the relaxed motion, try mixing up things. Choose some 3 to 4 strumming patterns that you like and practice them over and over again until you get the relaxed arm movement on all of the patterns. In my opinion, learning just 4 to 5 strumming patterns with a relaxed movement is much better than learning hundreds of patterns. Also, once you can play comfortably with the metronome and your arm continuously moves while playing, any pattern you can pick up by listening to it, or something very similar that suits the song. Another dynamic change to put into is the pressure differentiation. Play with different pressure during your playing and mix it up during your strumming practice. For example, Okay, so here I am mixing the strumming pattern and different and with a different pressure. I don't know how much you heard with this microphone, but I think it's pretty decent kind of microphone, so you may have heard it. But yeah, try to understand what I am telling and also apply the same thing in your playing also. The whole strumming practice at this point boils down to the three things: relaxing with metronome, mixing up 4 to 5 patterns, and exerting different level of pressures during playing. Hopefully, you will deploy these three techniques in your playing going forward and make more vibrant music.